Hey guys, this is Mike at Estates Chimney, and today our featured fireplace is the Regency GI33LE Direct Vent Gas Insert. This fireplace is 38,500 BTUs on high, running off of natural gas, and 36,000 BTUs on high, using propane. It can be turned down to produce 20,000 BTUs on low. This insert will heat anywhere from 800 to 1,200 square feet depending on the layout of your home. It has almost a 70% efficiency rating, allowing you to enjoy the fire without skyrocketing your utility bills. It features a very large viewing area and sleek, minimal flush mount design. It has a brand new infusion burner technology, or flame and log technology like I like to call it. You can see the flame rolling around both sides of the log. Regency was able to achieve this by having two inverted stainless steel burners that come with a lifetime warranty, by the way, and they cap the burner with a log set. This provides a very realistic experience. Some other key features of this fireplace insert include an Envision mesh safety screen that allows a clear view of the fireplace while protecting you from the ceramic glass that's radiating heat into your room. Multiple faceplate styles that are available in various metal finishes. ProFlame 2 remote system that controls every feature of the fireplace from flame height adjustment, variable speed blower, ember bed lighting, and even turning the pilot on and off. We're showing this insert with a flush 3-sided faceplate, black glass interior panels, and birch log set. They also offer an oak and driftwood log set, flat black, volcanic brick panels, rustic brown brick panels, herringbone panels, and gray castlestone panels. There are many options that we can put together to complement your home's decor. This insert comes with a battery backup. If you were to lose power, you can operate this insert off of 4 AA batteries, and with the ceramic glass radiating heat, it'll keep you comfortable and you'll be happy you have it. Stop by our showroom in Chalfont and let's find the perfect match for you and update that old drafty fireplace. Thank you.